John Shields, window cleaner, work for Pure Clean, and we do purified water, high reach window cleaning. So they're great. You know, Rose will go out and look at a site, and then she'll look at what she has to do on it, and she'll look at what we can do on it. She'll contact us, tell us what the job is, tell us where it is, we'll go and have a look at it, quote for our part of the job, and then Rose will quote for the whole job, and then if she gets the job, we go in and do our bit, she does her bit, and then so we've done a big job at Splash World in Southport, high level cleaning. There'd been a lot of work done in there, and there was ducting that runs along the ceiling. Because it's like a swimming pool, you couldn't have cherry pickers and stuff in there, so it had to be done manually from the ground at really high reach equipment, and we have the equipment to do that. So Rose brought us in to do that job. We've done the job to the standard that it needed doing, and then Rose carried on with the hair cleaning of the site, and then they were made up with the job. He said it was a really good job. Addley Cleaners, they've got a good name. Really nice to deal with, professional, and they do a good job.